Are you tired of being denied for loans and credit cards? Want to improve your credit score but don't know where to start? Look no further, because in this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about credit scores, how they're determined, and most importantly, how to improve them. From understanding credit report inquiries, to disputing errors, to managing your debt, we'll give you the tools and knowledge to take control of your credit and secure your financial future. Your credit score is one of the most important factors that lenders, landlords, and even employers consider when making decisions about you. A high credit score can make it easier to qualify for loans and credit cards, get lower interest rates, and even secure a rental or job. On the other hand, a low credit score can make it difficult to borrow money, get approved for credit, and even find a place to live. The good news is that you can improve your credit score, and it's not as difficult as you might think. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about credit scores, how they're determined, and most importantly, how to improve them. First, let's start with the basics. A credit score is a three-digit number that ranges from 300 to 850, and it's based on the information in your credit report. The most widely used credit score is the FICO score, which is used by 90% of lenders. Your credit score is determined by 5 factors. Payment history, 35% of your score. This includes whether you've paid your bills on time, and if you have any late payments, collections, or bankruptcies on your credit report. Credit utilization, 30% of your score. This is the amount of credit you're using compared to the amount of credit available to you. For example, if you have a credit card with a limit of $10,000 and you owe $2,500, your credit utilization would be 25%. Length of credit history, 15% of your score. This is the length of time you've had credit. The longer your credit history, the better it is for your score. Credit mix, 10% of your score. This is the mix of credit accounts you have, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. New credit, 10% of your score. This includes how many new credit accounts you've opened recently and how many credit inquiries are on your credit report. Now that you understand how your credit score is determined, let's talk about how to improve it. 1. Make sure you're on the voter list. Being registered to vote is an important step to ensure your credit report is accurate. Credit bureaus often use voter registration lists to confirm your address and identity. If you're not on the voter list, it can make it difficult for them to match your credit report to your identity, which can result in errors on your credit report. 2. Pay your bills on time. Payment history is one of the biggest factors that determine your credit score. Late payments can have a major negative impact on your credit score, so it's important to pay all of your bills on time. Setting up automatic payments or reminders can help you stay on top of your bills and avoid late payments. 3. Keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization is the amount of credit you're using compared to the amount of credit available to you. It's best to keep your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a good credit score. High credit utilization can indicate that you're overextending yourself financially, which can be a red flag for lenders. 4. Don't close old credit accounts. Closing old credit accounts can shorten the length of your credit history, which can hurt your credit score. As long as the account is in good standing and you're not paying an annual fee, it's best to keep it open. 5. Dispute any errors on your credit report. Review your credit report regularly and dispute any errors or inaccuracies you find. You are entitled to one free credit report per year from each of the 3 major credit reporting bureaus. Contact the credit bureau directly to dispute any errors. 6. Be mindful of new credit applications. Every time you apply for credit, a credit inquiry is generated, which can have a negative impact on your credit score. It's best to limit the number of credit applications you make and only apply for credit when you really need it. 7. Monitor your credit score regularly. Monitoring your credit score regularly can help you stay on top of any changes or potential errors. There are many free credit score services that you can use to check your credit score. This will allow you to address any issues early on and take steps to improve your credit score. 8. Make a budget and stick to it. A budget can help you identify areas where you may be overspending and help you prioritize paying off debt and saving money. This will help you to keep your credit utilization low and make payments on time. By keeping track of your income and expenses, you can make a plan to pay off your debts and ensure that you have enough money to make your payments on time. This will help you to avoid late payments, which can have a negative impact on your credit score. 9. Consider a secured credit card. A secured credit card is a type of credit card that is backed by a security deposit you make. This can be a great option for those who are just starting to build their credit, or for those who have poor credit and are unable to get approved for a traditional credit card. Secured credit cards usually have lower credit limits and higher interest rates, but they can help you build or improve your credit history. 10. Get added as an authorized user. Being added as an authorized user on someone else's credit card can help to boost your credit score, as long as the primary cardholder has a good credit history and makes payments on time. By being added as an authorized user, you'll be able to benefit from the primary cardholder's good credit history. However, be sure to understand the terms and conditions before becoming an authorized user, as it also means that you'll be responsible for any late payments or debt on the account. By following these steps, you can take control of your credit and secure your financial future. Remember, improving your credit score takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. One additional tip to consider is managing your debt. High levels of debt can negatively impact your credit score, so it's important to work on paying off any outstanding balances. This can be done through creating a budget, setting up a debt repayment plan, or consolidating your debt with a loan or credit card balance transfer. Improving your credit score is an important step in securing your financial future. It's also important to note that there are no quick fixes or shortcuts to improving your credit score. It takes time, effort, and consistency to see a significant improvement. However, by understanding how your credit score is determined and taking steps to improve it, you can increase your chances of getting approved for loans and credit, and secure a better financial future. If you're looking for more tips and tricks on improving your credit score and managing your finances, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more valuable content that we'll be sharing in the future, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.